Hi friends, this reading is for all the people born on the 8th, 17th or 26th. As long as you add these two numbers up and you get a number 8, this reading is for you. Let's see what is going to happen for you in the month of September. Alright, so Ace of Swords. There is a new beginning. Then we have the Four of Swords. Somebody is going to be in deep thinking mode, whether they should start this new beginning or not. I think you are going to reevaluate your life. You're going to look at your life as a mirror, and you're going to see all the successes and failures that you've done before. Or you're just going to, this new beginning, when it comes to you, you're just going to wait for the right time. Let's see what other energies are there for number 8. Then we have the Death. So let me get one more card to understand exactly what's going on here for you guys. All right. For some of you, I think if you were previously in a relationship that escalated very quickly with the Ace of Swords, it might have been your ex that is coming back. There's a possibility for this pile for your ex to come back, and you're going to think about it very hard. And I think eventually this will be the time, when your ex comes back, you are finally going to let them go, like forever. Either that is going to happen, or you are going to, take your good sweet time to wait. I also see, for some, if your ex is coming back, it's finally the end with the Death card. But for the others, I do see, there's a possibility of an earth sign coming towards you with an offer. So this earth sign has been, thinking about you for a really long time, and they are going to come and they're going to make you an offer very, very soon. So, yeah. All right. So the next card, the next card we have is the Five of Pentacles. So I think they are going to come and make an offer, but probably they will not be your type. So they are not, somebody with like air sign, especially like your ex. So they are going to be different than your ex. For all the singles, I think all you have to do is kind of, you have to wait for this person to come and approach you. So, when you start your journey with them, I think they're going to be different from your usual type. And that's going to make you feel like, a little lonely, a little isolated. But whenever the Knight of Pentacles, which is, an earth sign, comes to you with an offer, they really mean it, and they are going to stay for the long run. So yeah, that's something you might want to pay attention to. Then we have the Two of Wands, which is exactly, what I was going to say, that here you have to make a decision whether you want something, that's passionate, that's romantic, and that's quick, or do you want something, that is going to, be, slow, but it's going to be worth it towards the end. The other card we have is the Four of Cups. Again, you are going to be in the, in the energy where you kind of feel like, you have missed out on the opportunity that you could with your ex, and now this new person, you are just like, you're not focused on the new person, but you're too focused on your ex. So I think for people, for number 8 people, your ex is definitely coming back. So yeah, so love yourself first. That is what it tells you, that you have to love yourself first if you want to move ahead in your life. So self-respect comes first. Let go of your control issues. So that's something you also need to focus on. And finally, the last card we have for you is Trust. So the situation is calling for you to have new faith, to have faith. So I think you have to trust where this, where universe is taking you, and that's your only lesson. So whether you choose your ex, or you decide to, move on to a new path with an earth sign or a Scorpio. I see earth sign or a Scorpio coming towards you very strongly. So yeah.